Our brains are incredible. They are constantly changing and adapting. This is called neuroplasticity. It's a superpower we all possess. We can literally rewire our brains for success. By understanding this power, we unlock incredible potential for personal growth. Think of your brain like a muscle. The more you train it, the stronger it becomes. Neuroplasticity means we can learn new skills, break bad habits, and achieve amazing things. It's never too late to change your brain and your life. We used to think our brains became fixed in adulthood, but that's not true. We now know our brains are capable of growth throughout our lives. This is incredibly empowering. It means we have the power to shape our own destinies. Embrace the power of neuroplasticity. Believe in your ability to change and grow. You have the potential to achieve anything you set your mind to. Ready for a simple yet powerful trick to rewire your brain? It's called focus work. This means dedicating blocks of time to a specific task without distractions. Our brains thrive on focus. When we concentrate deeply, we create new neural pathways. These pathways strengthen our abilities and enhance our performance. Aim for 90-minute work sessions followed by short breaks. This rhythm optimizes your brain's natural cycles. You'll be amazed by how much more you accomplish. Minimize distractions during your focused work sessions. Silence your phone, close unnecessary tabs, and create a dedicated workspace. Your brain will thank you. Want to supercharge your neuroplasticity? There are simple yet effective techniques you can incorporate into your daily life. These practices will optimize your brain's potential. First, prioritize quality sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of restful sleep each night. Sleep allows your brain to consolidate memories and recharge for the day ahead. Next, make exercise a non-negotiable part of your routine. Physical activity promotes blood flow to the brain and stimulates the growth of new brain cells. Mindfulness practices like meditation are incredibly powerful. Meditation enhances focus, reduces stress, and promotes overall brain health. Even a few minutes a day can make a difference. Keep your brain stimulated by seeking out novelty. Learn a new language, travel to new places, or try a new hobby. New experiences ignite your brain's plasticity. Finally, harness the power of visualization. Imagine yourself successfully completing a task or achieving a goal. Visualization strengthens neural pathways just like physical practice. Section 4. Practical applications rewiring in action. Neuroplasticity isn't just a theory, it's a practical tool for transformation. Let's explore some real-world applications. Did you know playing video games can actually be good for your brain? Strategic games enhance cognitive skills, problem-solving abilities, and hand-eye coordination. Never stop learning. Challenge yourself to continuously acquire new knowledge and skills. This keeps your brain sharp, adaptable, and engaged. Traveling to new places exposes you to different cultures, languages, and ways of thinking. This expands your perspective and rewires your brain for adaptability. Tap into your creative side. Engage in activities like painting, writing, or playing music. Art stimulates the brain and fosters new connections. Section 5. Neuroplasticity, the leader's advantage. Neuroplasticity is essential for effective leadership. It empowers leaders to adapt, innovate, and inspire. Leaders with high neuroplasticity embrace challenges as opportunities for growth. They are adaptable, resilient, and constantly seeking improvement. Decision-making is enhanced by neuroplasticity. Leaders can analyze situations, weigh options, and make sound judgments with greater clarity. Effective communication is crucial for leadership. Neuroplasticity strengthens the neural pathways associated with clear and impactful communication. Creativity and innovation thrive in a brain that is adaptable and open to new ideas. Neuroplastic leaders foster a culture of innovation within their teams. Emotional intelligence is a hallmark of great leadership. Neuroplasticity helps leaders understand and manage their own emotions while empathizing with others. Finally, a growth mindset is essential for both personal and professional development. Neuroplastic leaders see setbacks as learning opportunities and embrace continuous growth.